I wanted a gas barbecue for the boat to enjoy sausages and steaks on the water, and I wanted propane to avoid the mess of charcoal. This Magma Cabo grill looks like it'll fit that spot. Let's open it up and test it out. Open the box. It's fully assembled. Includes a rail mounting bracket. It looks shiny. The manual says it's made of stainless steel, so no rusting. And it's big. A bit bigger than I thought. A lock for the lid is a good idea, better than a bungee cord. And there's the propane tank connector. The grills are removable for cleaning. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It has feet for picnic tabletop use, but once the rail mount bracket is installed, the feet become unusable. And as you'll see later, the bracket is not easily unmounted afterwards. The gas valve needs to be inserted into the grill. It needs a good push to click in. And once it does, it doesn't seem to be removable. There is no igniter, but there is a hole for a match or a gas lighter to fit. This is only a demonstration. I did not light it on my nice teak tabletop. Now, the rail mounting bracket. It includes carriage bolts and lock washers for mounting onto the plate on the bottom of the grill. Find the holes that line up. And then have fun getting the head of the carriage bolt through the holes. Fingers are too fat. Locking pliers are too big, although thin needle nose pliers might have worked better. Finally, through the hole and held in place by a finger. Star and flat washers are provided, as are nylon lock nuts. I skipped the star washers. Now, 3 more bolts to go, each held in place by a finger. A screwdriver with double-sided tape might have worked better to insert the bolts, or chewing gum on an ice cream stick. Carriage bolts only need a wrench on one side because of the square holes they fit into. Tighten well. If they loosen, it all ends up in the lake. Now, where's it going to fit? There's not a lot of stern rail space here. is intruding into the aft seat space a bit. The handle that tightens the rail clamp seems likely to go overboard quickly. Maybe a lock nut on the end of the bolt will be a good idea. Attach a propane cylinder. Fire it up. Enjoy!